In today's video, I'll teach you how to view results on OZ Lotteries. So if you want to view the results on OZ Lotteries, it is actually very simple. If you bought the tickets from OZ Lotteries, you'll automatically receive the email from them the following morning. After the results are out, you'll be able to receive the email from them, and in that email, you'll be able to get the results. Also, you'll be able to find other methods to view the results. For that, what you can do is simply go to the official website of thelot.com. For that, go to New tab. Now, what you have to do is click on the search bar and type in thelot.com. Now, you'll be led to the official website of the lot. So, if you want to view the results in this website, what you have to do is scroll down. Now over here, you'll be able to find this section for latest lottery results. You'll be able to find all the lottery results over here. You'll be able to find the ticket number who won the lottery. So like this too, you'll be able to view the lottery results. Also, you can view the lottery results in the official YouTube channel of the lot. For that, what you have to do is open YouTube. Go to the new tab, click on the search bar and type in this link, youtube.com/the lot official lotteries. Now once you do that, you'll directly be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to see the channel of the lot. Over here, you'll be able to find various results. If you click on this option videos, you'll be able to see all the videos over here. You can see over here, all of these videos are of the results. If you click on it, you'll be able to view the video, and in that video, you'll be able to see the results. So like this, you'll be able to view the results. So that is how you view results on OZ Lotteries. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.